In today's episode, we are looking at health benefits of green tea. At the end of this video, you're going to go and pick up that green tea that you have abandoned for a long time. Green tea is reported to be one of the most healthiest beverages because they contain polyphenolic compound known as epigallocatechin 3 gallate, also known as EGCG. This polyphenolic compound has been reported to prevent cell damage and formation of free radical species in the body. Free radicals are reactive and unstable molecules that causes oxidative stress. And oxidative stress has been linked to be the major cause of all degenerative diseases, including cancer and aging. So taking green tea is going to help to prevent or curb the activities of free radicals in the body. So that's why you have to go and pick up your green tea and start consuming it at least once daily. This green tea is very helpful for the functioning of our brain. Remember, you are as healthy as your brain. Green tea contains enough amount of caffeine, which is helpful for you to be alert. This caffeine works synergistically with L-theanine because L-theanine helps to improve your mood, cognition, reduce stress, and anxiety. So that's why at times when you take green tea, you realize that you're calm and there's this calmness that you're going to experience. That's because of the theanine it contains. So green tea is very helpful for your brain health. Besides brain functioning, this green tea is helpful to prevent brain aging, such as dementia. So when you consume green tea, you will not enter dementia before your time. If you're already a victim of early dementia, taking green tea is going to curb the oxidative reaction that brought about this dementia. So that's why you have to pick up your green tea and start consuming it every day. Green tea helps to increase our metabolism. Why you add weight is because your metabolism is slow, especially in the evening. So when you consume green tea before meal, it's going to help to increase your metabolism, thereby helping you to burn fat or not to add weight. That's why you need to make green tea part of your daily diet. Antioxidants are anti-cancer agents, and green tea contains antioxidants. So whenever you're consuming green tea, it means that especially blood type A and AB, which have high tendency of being victim of cancers by virtue of their blood group. So consuming green tea is going to help you to prevent you from being a victim of cancer, breast cancer, prostate cancer, or even colorectal cancer, cancer of the colon and rectum. So that's why green tea should be part of your daily diet. If you're a victim of cancer or tumor, or you're already undergoing chemotherapy, please make green tea part of your daily diet because it's going to help to prevent your oxidative reactions that is occurring because of the drugs you're taking or the chemotherapy treatments. Green tea helps to reduce bad cholesterol. This bad cholesterol is what causes high blood pressure. So consuming green tea, the bad cholesterol will be reduced, thereby helping you to maintain your normal blood pressure. The essence of this is going to prevent you from being a victim of stroke, heart attack, and other cardiovascular diseases. So that's why green tea should be part of your daily diet. As a woman entering menopause or experiencing premenopausal symptoms, green tea is going to help you to eliminate some of the symptoms of menopause. So make sure you make green tea part of your daily diet. Green tea can elongate life. Taking green tea is going to help to enhance your lifespan, in the sense that some of the health challenges that would have cut short your life, green tea is going to help you prevent them, besides boosting your immunity. So that's why green tea should be part of our daily diet. The good news is that this green tea is highly beneficial for all blood types. So for every blood type, green tea is like medicine for you. Go and look for how to make your green tea worth it. You can add your lemon in your green tea, especially if you're blood type A. And you can also add ginger in your green tea, especially if you're blood type O and blood type B. For blood type AB, you can as well add lemon in your green tea. So just spice it up and make it an exciting moment. Keep living life with respect to your blood type. Remember, if you don't make your food your medicine, you end up making your medicine your food.